Welcome to this in-depth breakdown of Unity Bank's terms of service. If you've been searching for a transparent review to uncover whether Unity Bank is worth your time and trust, this is the video for you. Stick around as we analyze every key detail. Unity Bank offers a variety of financial products, including checking and savings accounts, loans, and credit cards. Their services are tailored for individuals and businesses alike. Let's dive into their advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: Unity Bank provides competitive interest rates on savings accounts, sometimes reaching as high as 4% annually. Their mobile banking app is user-friendly, allowing seamless transactions, bill payments, and transfers. Unity Bank also prides itself on responsive customer support, available 24 hours a day. Additionally, Unity Bank offers flexible loan products with customizable repayment terms, making them an attractive choice for small businesses and personal borrowers. Disadvantages, however: no bank is perfect, and Unity Bank is no exception. Some customers report that fees for overdrafts and wire transfers are on the higher side, with overdraft charges reaching as much as $45 per transaction. Additionally, their eligibility criteria for premium accounts can be restrictive, requiring minimum balances of up to $10,000. Service costs: Unity Bank's monthly maintenance fees for standard checking accounts start at $10, though these can be waived by meeting minimum deposit requirements. ATM fees are waived for in-network ATMs, but can reach up to $5 per transaction for out-of-network machines. Conclusion: Unity Bank's strengths lie in its strong digital platform and competitive rates. Still, you'll need to carefully consider their fees and terms, especially if you anticipate needing overdraft protection or frequent wire transfers. If this review helped you, don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and share it with anyone considering Unity Bank. See you in the next video.